protein and a vegetarian diet. Everyone needs protein in different amounts to be healthy. A common misconception that many people have is that vegetarians and vegans do not get enough protein in their diets. Plant foods are protein inadequate, but not excessive, amounts. While vegans and vegetarians generally get enough protein in their diet, they have to be careful that they get enough of the right kind. All proteins are made up of simple compounds, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen, and in some cases sulfur. These compounds form amino acids that then link into chains called peptides. In a typical peptide, there might be as many as 500 amino acids, each playing a different role in the body. During digestion, all proteins are broken down to their basic amino acid components. These are then used to make new amino acids, hormones and enzymes. There are 20 amino acids in total, 11 of which can be made by the body. The remaining amino acids that cannot be made must be received from food sources. Animal proteins are complete because they provide all of the essential amino acids while, with the exception of soy, plant proteins are not. Grains, nuts and seeds for instance are low as isoleucine and lysine while legumes are low in tryptophan and methionine. Source: Ben Best, does excess protein cause kidney damage? The average diet gets 14 to 18% of its calories from protein while the optimal amount for weight loss is slightly higher at 25 to 30%. The American Heart Association cautions about very high protein diets, setting the upper limit for no more than 35% of the daily calories. In the vegan diet, the average amount of protein is 10 to 12% of the daily caloric intake, not much below the average diet. Source: Angels, Protein in the Vegan Diet. The Vegetarian Resource Group. Boosting protein for vegetarians. While the average person is getting enough protein, there is still room for a little supplementation without going over the upper safe limit. Vegetarians and vegans especially can benefit from some supplementation of their protein intake. Because most plant foods are missing some amino acids, it is important that vegetarians and vegans work to find the right combinations of foods so that they do not face deficiencies. Combining different protein sources with one another is a good way to get enough amino acids while adding soy, a complete protein source, is another. To be absolutely sure that they are getting enough protein in their diet, vegetarians and vegans might be well suited to using a supplement that can help them meet all of their daily needs. Protein supplements typically come from one of 4 sources with some coming as a combination of 2 or more of these. Of the 4 supplement choices, 2 are acceptable for a vegan diet while all 4 can be used by vegetarians. These are whey, soy, rice and egg. Egg protein is considered to be the perfect source of protein and protein supplements made from egg are high in protein but low in fat. Because it is made with egg whites, is it not high in cholesterol? All proteins are evaluated by their protein digestibility corrected amino acid score, PDCAA, its completeness and its biological value, BV, based on the amount of protein retained after it is digested. Eggs are among the only foods to score perfectly on all of these factors. Whey protein is derived from milk as a byproduct of the cheese-making process. It is most like skeletal muscle and has high levels of arginine and lysine, 2 amino acids that stimulate the release of the growth hormone IGF-1, an anabolic hormone. It is also high in glutamine, which can help with fatigue and help to prevent overtraining. Among the supplement choices, whey protein is one of the faster to be absorbed and digested by the body. Soy protein is derived from soy flour and is one of the most digestible of the supplement choices, though some people are allergic to it. It is one of the 2 supplement choices that is suitable for vegans and also has a number of heart benefits. Rice protein is derived from brown rice, a complete protein source that is also suitable for vegans. It is also one that is considered to be hypoallergenic and may be the best source for those who have many food allergies. Source: sea gummies. In addition to these, there are a number of other protein supplements that can be considered for the healthy diet. ProfectR from Protica is the smallest but has the highest amount of protein per serving and also has a low number of calories. Available in a number of fruit-based and refreshing flavors, ProfectR provides 25 grams of protein, 100 calories and no fat or carbohydrates. Vegetarianism and protein, a case study. Ashley and Alexis have both decided to become vegetarians, a growing trend among teens their age. Both girls are healthy and at healthy weights, but their parents are very concerned that they are not going to get enough protein or other nutrients in their new diets. Both girls are considerate towards their parents and don't want to cause worry, so they agree to go to the doctor to discuss their diet and their dietary needs. While there, the doctor explains that since both girls are lacto-ovo-vegetarians, meaning they eat eggs and dairy, they will be getting enough protein to meet their daily needs, but they also need to make sure that they are getting a variety of foods every day. Some new vegetarians, especially young ones, may eat only 1 or 2 food items and will run into serious problems with their health. The doctor also tells the girls that if it will make their parents happy, drinking a protein supplement like ProfectR once or twice a day will not hurt them at all.